Welcome back to another video focused on Hexagon EAM version 12.3. This video provides an overview of the new part catalog request screen. Maintaining a clean and accurate part catalog is essential for reliable reporting, proper inventory control, and ensuring technicians have the right parts when repairing equipment. In Hexagon EAM, the part catalog request screen streamlines this process by providing a guided way for employees to submit new part details or request updates, all while part specialists review each request for accuracy, duplication, and compliance. The screen also supports key use cases like merging duplicates, updating suppliers, adjusting pricing, and improving part descriptions. The first thing you will need to do is add the part catalog request screen to the applicable user group menus. And you will also need to set up status authorizations for the PCRQ entity. I am currently showing an example of a new part request. I can enter the part details, supplier and manufacturer details, as well as include a request to add store details. Once the requester enters the information, the part catalog request can be routed for approval. Approval workflows can be set up for part catalog requests. In this environment, the auto pnum install parameter is set to yes. So once this request is approved, a part number will be assigned to our new part request. The part catalog request screen can also be used to update existing parts. The Preserve Part Data checkbox can be used on Update Existing Part Requests when you want to add or update related records such as supplier, manufacturer, or perhaps store details, without modifying any of the core data on the part record itself. This screen can also be used to facilitate changing part numbers. So if the part specialist identifies a duplicate, the parts can be merged directly from the part catalog request screen. Please note some parts are not supported, including track by asset, track by kit, repairable spares, and track by condition. Also, for those looking to create many part catalog requests, you can create an import utility template to import the records. Thanks for watching. We hope this walkthrough helps you understand how to better manage and maintain your part catalog. If you found this useful, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more EAM tips and demos. Have a great day!